Hey there, I often get questions about what mouse and keyboard I use and whether I also use a 3D mouse or also called a SpaceMouse, and if so, which one I recommend. So I decided to record a short video for you to explain my setup. Now personally, I use a SpaceMouse from 3D Connection, and their products are built for designers, engineers and CAD users to improve precision, efficiency and ergonomics when working in 3D environments like SolidWorks. Now here you can see an overview of all the SpaceMouse models they offer. I personally use the wireless SpaceMouse Pro, so this one right here. And this mouse allows you to smoothly navigate in 3D space. So with this mouse you can zoom, pan and rotate your model at the same time while using your regular mouse with the other hand to select features and sketches, for example. And it makes working in SolidWorks much more intuitive and significantly faster. So once you get used to it, it's very hard to go back to working without one. So I highly recommend to use a space mouse like this. And there are multiple versions out there, depending on your budget and wishes. But I personally have very good experiences with the wireless Space Mouse Pro. It works really well, and rotating your models with this mouse feels really intuitive. And next to a space mouse, I also use the wireless CadMouse from 3D Connection. And this mouse is also specifically developed for designers and engineers. Now, I've used many different mice over the years, but this one really stands out because of its ergonomic shape and overall build quality. And it works really well. And I personally use this one right here, the wireless one, and I can highly recommend it as well. And next to those two mice, I also use a keyboard from 3D Connection, and this one is called the Keyboard Pro. And what makes this keyboard stand out is that it comes with a separate numpad, and this allows you to fully personalize your desk setup by positioning your cat mouse and space mouse exactly according to your preferences and the task you're working on. And in addition, this keyboard includes several programmable keys that you can assign custom functions to. Now, for example, you can create dedicated buttons for frequently used features such as the Extrude, Sweep, or Revolve, which also making your workflow faster and more efficient. Now, I normally don't promote products or do affiliate marketing. However, for 3D Connection, I'm happy to make an exception simply because I've been using their devices myself for years and I can genuinely recommend them. They've been part of my daily workflow for a long time, and I'm also an official affiliate partner of 3D Connection. So if you decide to purchase one of their products through the link under this video, you can use the voucher code LearnSolidWorks10. So LearnSolidWorks10 at checkout to receive 10% discount on the purchase price. So it's a nice little bonus if you were already considering upgrading your setup. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video and make sure to check out the link under this video to learn more about these products.